This is Victoria Christensen with Agile Dragon. Today I'm going to show you how we're able to drill back from a burst report back into CSD. So a few things we need to make sure we have. So make sure that your space that you're in is set up as an application, right? So that you can, when you click on application and it's listed in here, make sure that you also have in your parameters that it's in within Mingle in your when you set it up. So the other thing we need to make sure we have is a report that has all of the criteria that you require. Make sure that you have, for orders, make sure you have your order number, order suffix, and kono for each of these tables. So when we click on this link, right, it should take us into CloudSuite distribution. So let's just show you how this works. Let me edit this report. And we're going to go into Visualizer, right, because we want to be able to set back, create this drill back as a link. So it is a report level drilling, and this is what we're going to use to create that drill back. So the top field here, this field here must be in your report. This is the field that you're going to click on that will take you to the link where you're going to go. So as you see here, we have there's three things that are required for orders. There are your counting entity, which is your kono, your order number, which is our, in this instance, we have order number here, because it's in our order change table, plus the PK2, which is our suffix number for that order, right? Because all orders have a suffix on them. And then our view. So this is where we're going to go. So it's going to take us to our inquiry screens based on what we're adding in there. So it's a PK, order number, PK2, suffix number, view, OEIO, your accounting entity, which is your kono. So when we click on done, right, we're going to have this list. Remember to, when we save this off, it will take us back to our dashboards, right? And once we publish it, make sure when we click on these links, right? So let's go ahead, we'll pick on an order. So we can select a full order. So we can type in 525. That's 252, 555. And turn it on, right? So these are you're going to see, all of the changes. There was them in that time range. So all of the changes that have occurred for that order in that kono for this report. So you'll see the change codes that have what's happened to them, right? We went from a stage 1 to a stage 9. It was canceled. Looks like I had canceled it earlier. So when I click on this link now, this is going to take us back into CloudSuite distribution for this order. And with the right permissions, you'll be able to maintain this order if necessary. So that's how we are able to create and drill back from burst reports inside of CSD.